Hi guys, you guys are so cute. So guys, I'm gonna go ahead and tell you which is which and how. So I'm pretty sure. Come on, Leia. Come here. That's my little brothers, and that's my sand. Okay, come here, Leia. Come here. Come here. You are adorable. Okay, so this is Leia. She is a 2-year-old Latino cocktail. Her birthday is June 26th, and yeah, she's a Latino cocktail. She's a type of bird, so she's got like a little mix, cute little cheek feathers. She actually has a bald spot back there. She won't let me touch. I'll get mad. Like if you touch her, she'll get mad. She doesn't bite that hard, but she's really nice. Okay. She'll get that other one. Come here. Lily, 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 Lily. So now, this is Lily. We call her Lily Ann sometimes, but she's like a really great fighter. She gets mad a lot. Come here, Lily. But she's Lily. She's a girl. Leia's also a girl, or she's down there. Very well fed. She's a cinnamon cocktail. Her birthday is March 4th. And then her sister is down there. I'll show you after. And she's beautiful. And she's 9 months old. So come on. Leanne. And she doesn't bite that hard. I'll go ahead and show you Bob. So this is Bob. His birthday is November 26th. He is 2 years old and he's just a regular betta fish. Yeah, he's blue and red. Sorry about the lights on there. It's just the tank up there has lights. I'll show you, but on the top there flash colors. Okay, the last one. Hi, Harmony. So this is Harmony. She's Lillian's sister, or Lily's. What do you want to call her? Her name is Harmony. She's the same age. She's 9 months old, and her birthday is March 4th. She's a female. So thanks for watching, guys. Hope you guys like this video, and this is the bird. And thanks for watching. Bye.